Hey guys, episode 39 of the crypto portfolio series. Up about 20,000 this week, doing pretty well. Ethereum seems to be sort of moving up fairly well, and just sort of more general bullish sentiment. Bitcoin not quite coming to all-time highs, but getting close. Had a little bit of a dip down this morning. This was at 356, I think, yesterday. So had a little bit of a dip, but 20 grand up overall for the week. So it's pretty good. Not a lot of news this week. One article did make me chuckle. JP Morgan putting a $130,000 long-term target. I don't think they've quite said what they mean by long-term, but just sort of shows you times change. The CEO of JP Morgan sort of said before that he would sack anyone that he found owning Bitcoin or trading Bitcoin through the company. So now they've changed their tune a little bit and seem to be putting out a lot of sort of bullish articles, and yeah, can't complain at that. So just looking at the portfolio, Bitcoin up 2.5% for the week now with this little pullback, but it's not really. It's really been the altcoins that have been moving that's pushed the portfolio up. So Ethereum 18.5% up. This is sort of the big mover. Seen a lot of predictions of sort of $2,500, which I guess would put sort of $1,900 pounds. Sorry. So yeah, does seem to be going pretty quick. I mean, it was under 1,200. Yeah, about £1,200 sort of beginning of the week. So big move, and a lot of the altcoins sort of following suit. Not Cardano. It's still sort of trading in this up and down range, but not up and down very much. Litecoin 8% up, so sort of in between Bitcoin and Ethereum. Not doing too bad, but not blowing the water out. OMG Go 23.7%. Not too bad, making a big move up. Haven't seen anything specifically on them or most of these altcoins really. It just seems to be sort of minor developments and money flowing into altcoins. TRON is the incredible mover for the week, so yeah, 77.5%. Again, I haven't seen anything particularly other than they're getting into NFT non-fungible tokens. Didn't really see that as a reason for this sort of move, but fair enough. If there's anything else you guys have seen, drop it in the comments. XLM, Stellar up 8%, about the same as Litecoin. Still seems a bit of a slow mover. Power Ledger has been seeing a reasonable move, 24% up just about. Was higher sort of earlier in the week, but not doing too bad. Basic Attention token has sort of been having a big pump, so it's just not gone too much higher. 2.5% now for the week. Was in the sort of 90p's yesterday, but it's come down again. XRP 7% up, not too bad. Seems to be sort of moving longer term back upwards, shaking off the lawsuit worries, I think. EOS, another reasonable mover. It's not been doing too much recently, but 36.5% up, so not too bad. No news basically, but there you go. Dash, not too bad, 15% nearly. Was higher yesterday, sort of same with all the others, but moving with the market. And Dogecoin, 4%, not really doing a huge amount. was higher during the week, but come back down again. And BitTorrent is worth talking about now, I guess. 93% up. As I say, this was free from holding TRON. Maybe should have bought some more while it was low, but didn't really sort of see a huge value in a token for, a file sharing website. But yeah, if it grows, then maybe just be a nice little bonus to add on to TRON. So that's the portfolio for the week. Not too much to say. No buys and sells. Although I'm hoping if we can sort of get back to yesterday's highs, maybe in the next week or so, probably be taking about 20,000 out of sort of various coins, probably a quarter of a Bitcoin, and probably some of these smaller coins. I think I'll probably leave Ethereum and Cardano alone, and Litecoin probably, and just sort of take it out of the smaller coins, and that'll go towards the new ISA for the next couple of weeks. That'll be the 2021 ISA. So leave your thoughts in the comments below, and drop a like. It's always appreciated. Tune in for the live stream tomorrow night if you want to ask anything, and subscribe if you want to see more. See you soon.